So Thanksgiving's just around the corner and you're looking for some punch cocktail recipes, right? Well, I've got 2 Thanksgiving drink recipes just for you, whether you need a Thanksgiving punch warm or cold. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam, James, Barprints.co. Today I've got 2 Thanksgiving punch recipes that I promise won't only become 2 of your favorite Thanksgiving cocktails, but will definitely earn a permanent spot in your list of Thanksgiving dinner recipes for years to come. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending and cocktail, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here. Don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, as always here at Barprints, we like to keep things simple. That means easy cocktail recipes for parties that are easy cocktails to make at home, and our Thanksgiving drinks are no exception. Now, first off, we're going to get into our warm cocktails with a bourbon cocktail that you may remember from this video right here. If you haven't seen this one already, go ahead and check it out after this one if you're looking for some more easy Thanksgiving cocktails. Now, for a single serving of our warm cocktail, we're going to go ahead and take our favorite teacup or 4 to 6 ounce mug, and we're going to go ahead and add 1 ounce of natural apple juice. And what I mean by natural apple juice is not the golden clear apple juice that we all grew up with and know and love, but I'm talking about if you actually take an apple and juice it and you get that opaque juice from it. Matter of fact, if you can do that, that works better because great ingredients make great cocktails and you can't beat fresh. Next up, you're going to add half an ounce of spice syrup, half an ounce of fresh lemon juice, and 2 ounces of bourbon. Now, to get the recipe for the spice syrup, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. We break down exactly how to make the pumpkin spice syrup. Once you've done all that, just go ahead and stick the cup in the microwave, probably for about a minute. Just enough so that you can heat up the contents in the cup without bringing it to a boil. Once that's done, just go ahead and take it, serve it as is, no garnish to your guests. Now, if you're looking to do a big batch of this stuff, before you scale up the recipe, go ahead and check out this video right here for how to make a big batch of any cocktail for that matter. And in this particular case, for this cocktail, I would recommend go ahead and putting it in a pot, mixing everything in the pot, and then putting it on a medium heat just to heat up all the contents. Of course, not bringing it to a boil again, but just about till it starts to steam and it's at a nice tea temperature. And then you're good to go. By the way, I'd love to know what are some of your favorite hot cocktail recipes. Are there hot bourbon drinks or something more like a hot toddy cocktail? Drop it in the comments below so we could all add it to our list of go-to warm cocktail recipes. Now, our cold punch recipe is definitely sure to become one of your favorite prosecco drink recipes. All you're going to do is grab your shaker and go ahead and add the following: half an ounce of natural apple juice, 1/4 ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of spice syrup, and 1 ounce of bourbon. Put a little bit of crushed ice in your shaker and go ahead and give that a nice shake just until the crushed ice that you added dissolves. Then you're going to go ahead and take your Collins glass and fill it with crushed ice as well. Strain the contents out into the glass, and then you're going to go ahead and top that off with 1 ounce of prosecco and then 2 ounces of sparkling water. Once you're done adding your prosecco and your sparkling water, go ahead and give it a gentle stir and it's ready to serve to your guests. Now, of course, if you want to make a big batch of this, same rules apply that you would have learned from watching the Big Batch Cocktails video. Again, watch that after this one. And those are my Thanksgiving punch recipes. Now, whether you're leaning towards the hot cocktails for the winter because you need some nice cozy drinks to help you beat the cold, or maybe you're living somewhere warmer and you're looking for something cool and refreshing to help you beat the heat, you can't go wrong with either of these recipes. Now, if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and download our free PDF training, the Barprints cheat sheet, help you go from a novice to a pro in just under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, go ahead and hit the like button, share it with your friends, helps the channel out way more than you know. Also, if you're looking for some more great videos, great advice on bartending, you can check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.